My supreme namaskars to all of you. My name is Nerala Mayadri. I have been practicing as an advocate of Honorable Supreme Court and High Courts of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana after my retirement voluntarily as a district judge. Today, as you know, that we have had part 1 of video relating to online studies and other aspects. While we were discussing about various tips and advices for students studying online or offline, we requested the students to have a steady space and review their notes and textbook, and then create a steady schedule and start or join a study group, and then take a break and then achieve your goal. But at the same time, now due to this online studies, there are certain difficulties during COVID-19 scenario or pandemic. Keep in your mind, whenever you feel that COVID-19 is troubling you, that there are great scientists and their inventions which changed the world. At least if you Google or discuss with your study group, you will find that there are important 20 scientists who are very great and their inventions that changed the world. Recently I saw a movie where a child asks the scientists to give as a present something invented by the scientist to him exclusively. Then the scientist says to him, if you borrow or take as a gift this one, you will have only one. If you go on invent, then you will have number of inventions and that will change the world. Keep this in your mind and go for inventions to change the world. Mankind has progressed immensely over the period of time, and the great contributions made by many of the big and famous scientists, more particularly in the field of science, have played a key role in this growth and transition. They have made amazing inventions and discoveries which have changed the way we live. You too can. There is a philosophy of Me Too, and most of the girls who have been suffering due to the behavior of others, they started a movement of Me Too. Now I request you, start Me Too for inventing the great inventions to change the world. It can be by the science students and even the non-science students also. Non-science students, they can put efforts in their study group and invent or find out various other not known facts, maybe in the history, maybe in the political system, in order to solve the several problems. And so far as the role of you in the society is concerned, more particularly of the scientists, I can say man in rags who is hunting in the jungles and eating raw food is what all of us will imagine. But what brought about the revolution and evolution that today we are looking forward to the age of flying cars and spaceships and 5G, 10G and so much, you have to trust me, every now and then someone genius enough is born who enlightened our world and invents words never seen before. What are the important things to the society that is needed is, first, the society wants some answers to the questions that everyone is wondering about. The scientists have evolved and helped the members of the society to evolve in many ways that we cannot define. They have made us to understand the life, like how the rishis advised us or taught us about the life and the philosophy of life, how we have to live. Likewise, scientists also, they are responsible for making us to enjoy the life or understand the life. And they made us to go even for moon, and now people are going even to the trying to go to sun and started living or making arrangements to live in moon. So students can keep in their mind one important thing, that important things to conduct research which are beyond our imagination, and therefore they can help us live our lives comfortably. If aeroplanes or cars or vehicles are not there, imagine how the life is. Likewise, you have to work continuously to make inventions. Either a science student or art student, as I said, that art students can make us to know many things which are known to us, and evolve the philosophy or system to solve our problems. Scientists have been continuously working, like many students continuously working. This is all for the betterment of the lives of all, because we are curious to conduct research and invent certain things, and that will make others to live happily. Many students in good olden days, many scientists who are not having basic needs, also they were able to help each other, and then there is no communication also in those days, and develop the philosophy of science and arts so much, and made inventions which are now helping the society at a large. Then online students who have not touched even a single equipment, now they are under a constant stress for writing the exams or achieving their goals and whatnot. For this, I propose to have mobile laboratories. You may call or ask me what are mobile laboratories, how a group of students can form as a group of think tank and evolve a strategy and have a mobile laboratory for studies and make inventions and invent other philosophies or systems for achieving their goals. This we'll discuss in the next video. Please cooperate with us due to technical problems. Please subscribe the channel which you liked, and request your friends to subscribe the channel.